Hello, and welcome to another episode of Essential English for Conversations. I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the United States.
Immerse yourself in the world of English idioms. Today, we can explore together expressions using game. Starting with ahead of the game, meaning to have an advantage. For instance, rising early or studying before bed can keep you ahead of the game. At this stage of the game denotes a certain point in a process. Perhaps it's time to talk to a lawyer or launch that product at this stage of the game. Fair game is something you're allowed to take advantage of. A market entry or a region could be fair game. Fun and games, quite simply, refers to enjoyable activities, though not everything is fun and games. Game that two can play is a negative tactic that can be reciprocated. Be careful, it might come back to bite you. To give the game away is to reveal a secret. Don't give the game away before you've even begun. The name of the game is the type of activity mentioned. Winning, making connections, or honesty could be the name of the game. A new ball game signifies a new situation, like a challenging move to a new city. Lastly, the game is up means the situation is lost, like packing up and starting again, or closing down a company. So, step up. It's time to master the game of English idioms. Comment below on your favorite game idiom and subscribe to this channel.